Student, this is Kumar, 12th standard business mathematics and statistics, chapter number 7, continuation of exercise 7.1. No problem number 19. Consider 5 mice from the same litter, all suffering from vitamin A deficiency. They are fed a certain dose of carrots. The positive reaction means a recovery from the disease. Assume that the probability of recovery is 0.73. Probability of recovery is given. What is the probability that at least 3 of the 5 mice recover? So you are asked to find out that recovery only, so that it should be considered as probability of success. So by data p, that is equal to 0.73. By data, the probability of success equal to 0.73. Therefore, Q, that is equal to formula 1 minus P, that is equal to 1 minus 0.73, that is equal to 0.27. N, that is equal to, here what is given, consider 5 mice from the same litter. So N, that is equal to 5. Here also you are given 3 of the 5 mice recovered. So N, that is equal to 5. Now, binomial distribution. Write the formula, binomial distribution, that is equal to probability of x equal to x, that is equal to ncx p power x q power n minus x. X can take the values 0 to n. Therefore, probability of, the question is at least 3. Look at that, at least 3 given. Therefore, at least symbol you know very well, greater than or equal to x, greater than or equal to 3. So greater than or equal to 3, what are the numbers? You have to stop at 5. Start with the 3. 3, 4 and 5. Suppose if you apply the property, you will be getting less than 3 will be there. 1 minus probability of x less than 3. Less than 3, what are the numbers? 0, 1 and 2. Even if you apply the property, you will be getting 3 probability values. So you can apply the property too. Okay. The property is, we know that probability of x greater than or equal to a, that is equal to 1 minus probability of x less than a. If you apply the property, 1 minus probability of x less than 3, greater than or equal to becomes less than 3. Less than 3, what are all the numbers? 0, less than 3, what are the numbers? 0, 1 and 2. That is equal to 1 minus probability of x equal to 0, probability of x equal to 1 and probability of x equals 2. Now we can substitute all the values in that formula. 1 minus ncx, n value is 5. 5c0, double set of brackets. 5c1, double set of brackets. 5c2 and double set of brackets, close the bracket. Okay. Now here p value, here q value. P value, that is 0.73. Q value, that is 0.27. 0.73, 0.27, 0.73, 0.27. Here power x value here 0, here x value 1, here x value 2. Here power n minus x, n here, x here, 5 minus 0, that is 5, 5 minus 1, that is 4, 5 minus 2, that is 3. Now 1 minus nc0 value is 1, therefore 5c0 value is 1, anything power 0 is 1, so 0.27 power 5. nc1, that is equal to n, therefore 5c1 is 5 into 0.73 into 0.27 power 4 plus 5c2, that is equal to 5 into 4 divided by 2 into 1. You can cancel by 2 table here 2 times. Then 0.73 the whole square into 0.27 power 4. 3. Close the bracket. Here we have 0.27 power 5, here power 4, here power 3. Which one is the least? 0.27 power 3. That is the least. You can take it as common. So 1 minus 0.27 power 3. That is equal to 1 minus 0.27 power 3 common. After taking common, here we have 0.27 power 5. Therefore, 0.27 power 2 will be there. Here 5 into 0.73. 0.27 power 2 plus 5 into 0.73, 5 into 0.73 into 0.27 power 4 is here. We have taken 0.27 power 3 common, so one more 0.27 will be there into 0.27 plus. Here we have taken 0.27 power 3 common. These two will be there. 5 2s are 10 and 0.73 the whole square. 10 and 0.73 the whole square. Now we have to simplify. 1 minus 0.27 the whole cube, right as it is. Then 0.27 the whole square equals 0.0729 plus. If you multiply, you will be getting 0.9855 plus 10 into 0.73 the whole square value is 0.5329. Close the bracket. That is equal to 1 minus 0.27 the whole cube into 0.0729 plus 0.9855. If you multiply, you will be getting 5.329. That is equal to 1 minus 0.27 the whole cube means 0.27 should be multiplied for 3 times. You will be getting 0.019683 into, if you add everything, you will be getting 6.3874. That is equal to 1 minus, if you multiply these two, you will be getting 0.1257231. That is equal, then you have to subtract. If you subtract, you will be getting 0.874269. It can be rounded up to 4 decimal places. That is equal to 0.874. Since if it is 5 or more than 5, you can add 1 with the previous digit. Since it is 7, you can add 1. 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3. That's all. So problem number 19 is completed. Then I will be teaching the problem number 20. That is the last problem in that exercise. The next video. Thank you, children.